How to turn on comments on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to enable comments on YouTube. So first of all, you need to access your YouTube Studio. To do this, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and then select YouTube Studio. Wait for the settings to load and then select Settings. From these options, click on Channel and then go to Advanced Settings. Here, you will need to decide if your channel is made for kids. If your content is designed as child-friendly, comments will be disabled according to your YouTube rules. However, if your content is not for kids, you can change this setting or choose a reviewer option for each video for which you want to enable comments. So I'll demonstrate this with an example. So select either you want to review this setting for every video or set it as no, set this channel as not made for kids. I'll demonstrate with this example. Click on any video, go to its details, scroll down, click on show more, and here you will see the option of comments and ratings. Now you can choose how you want to handle comments. If disabled, if selected off, the comments will be disabled. You can either hold the potentially inappropriate comments for review or allow all the comments as well. To change this, go back to Settings, click on Upload Defaults, and then go to Advanced Settings. Make sure to select either Allow Comments. And if this option is chosen, that's why your comments are off for all the new uploads. Remember to click on and then click on Save. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.